No matter our individual gifts, our talents, our opportunities, we're all given one precious thing: time. And now we've taken it as an inspiration for our new collection. Phantom Tempus represents those whose mission it is to expand horizons and define limits. From a design perspective, we began by looking deep into space and developed this fascination for pulsar stars, and they spin with such regularity that they are widely considered as one of the most accurate natural keepers of time. With Phantom Tempus, we were drawn to the idea of a customer stepping into their own world and closing the door and into this paused moment of calm. Everywhere you look, you're surrounded by these beautiful references to time, how it passes and how it flows and how it seems to stand still. These cars are incredibly rare, only 20 will be made. The Starlight Headliner has been completely reimagined. Intricate bespoke embroidery and mesmerising fibre optics combine to create something new and unique, the Pulsar Headliner. The notion of time being frozen inspired the doors. The swirling, twisting pattern of stars is created by hundreds of illuminated perforations flowing through the entire cabin. The gallery is sculpted from a single solid billet of aluminium. The columns are anodised and hand-polished so they reflect the light and the shadow, and the whole surface appears to ripple and flex as your eye moves across it. Albert Einstein said that the distinction between past, present and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion. That sense of time being what you make of it is central to the Phantom Tempus design concept. The spirit of ecstasy has been engraved with the Phantom Tempus name and can be personalised with a date, a location of a significant moment in time, chosen by the owner. The collection is finished in a new bespoke paint, Kairos Blue, created to embody the darkness and the mystery of space. All we have is the time that we're given, and it's up to us to make the most of every single moment.